Kia ora te whānau. In this video we're going to show you how to charge the Hiko. We have 3 po, kōwhai, kikorangi and mā. Each po has 2 chargers. Really important to know that these chargers are private. You cannot use them unless you have a Hiko card. The top charger is for the left cable, bottom charger, right cable. To release the cable, you need to press the plastic button at the top and it'll come right out. To use the charger, you tap your Hiko card here. The lights will tell you exactly what mode the charger is in. So yellow means locked. It's important to note that just because the car is plugged in doesn't necessarily mean it's charging. Okay, so let's show you how to charge. First, you need to have an account with Wallbox and the app downloaded on your phone. The chargers will show up and you can also track the status of the chargers to see if they're working. You can also unlock the chargers from your phone in this app. If you do not have Wallbox or your app does not show the chargers, please contact the Hiko team ASAP. First, press the door to open the charging port and take out the cap. Grab your Hiko card and tap it on the charger to unlock it. Green means it's unlocked and ready to charge. Next, you're going to release the cable and plug it into the car. Really important to ensure you've pushed the cord in properly. Now that you've plugged it in, the charger light should flash light blue. This shows it's connecting and loading, and you really need to wait for it to go dark blue, which means it's charging. This is probably the most important thing, is making sure the light goes dark blue and the car is actually charging. That way the next whānau have a fully charged Hiko.